Hello and welcome. This is Khushbu Bhatta and today we will learn how you can automatically send WhatsApp messages to your Facebook leads. Suppose you run a toy store and every time a Facebook lead is generated, you want your brochure to be sent to their WhatsApp. So, how will you do it? There are two ways. First, you go to Facebook Forms, collect all the lead details, come back, compose a message, attach your brochure and send to every single lead via WhatsApp. However, this can be repetitive. So, don't worry, we have the Pabbly Smart Way. Here, we will integrate Facebook with WhatsApp, all using Pabbly Connect. So, whenever a new lead is generated on your Facebook, your message along with your store's brochure will be automatically sent to their WhatsApp. Come to my screen to see how we do it. To use WhatsApp for marketing of your toy store, let us first go to Pabbly's website. On the top right, you will see two options, sign up free and sign in. Since I already have an account, I will just sign in. Now go to Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. I'll simply write Facebook leads to WhatsApp. Create. Now it will show you two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So let us write Facebook lead ads and select this as a trigger application. Now we will select new lead instant as a trigger event. Why? Because we want every time a new lead is generated on Facebook, instantly a WhatsApp message should be sent to them. So let us select new lead instant as our trigger event. Connect the two. Add new connection. And authorization successful. Now it will ask you to give in some details. Here you will have to give your Facebook page's name. So I created a Facebook page using my business name, that is Kids Toy, that is the name of my toy store. So now let us map in that here, Kids Toy, that is my Facebook page name. Now this is the form, Toys Catalog form. This is the form that I had created for my Facebook leads. Now quickly save and send test request. So now to see if Pabbly is able to capture the Facebook lead response, let us quickly go and submit a dummy form. Here, just a quick reminder, before you create a new lead, make sure you delete the old one. Just let us quickly refresh this and select our page name, which is Kids Toy Store. Scroll down. Here it is. And Toys Catalog form. This is the form that we had created for our Facebook leads. Let us preview this. So this is our test form. Let us quickly fill in the details, the dummy details, to see if it is working. Okay, we have filled in the details. Let's submit. Now let us see if Pabbly has received this response. And here it is, you can see the dummy's name, phone number, email address. Everything is here. Now let us click on this plus button and select text formatter. For action event, we will select split text, connect. Now here we will have to give the text that we want to split, which would be this, the phone number. Separator would be plus. Why? Because we want to remove this plus sign. And we want all the text after this plus sign. So let's just save and send test request. All right. It has successfully removed the plus sign from our number. Now we will be using this number Now let us come to the final step, that is the action step. Here we will select WhatsApp Cloud API. For the action event, we will select send template message. That's what we want to send. Connect, add new connection. So here it will ask you for a few keys. For this, let us go to developers page. Come straight to the left hand side and you will see WhatsApp. Go to the drop down, then click on getting started. Here is the temporary access token key. Copy this, come back to Pabbly's page, paste it. Again, the phone number ID, copy this onto Pabbly's page, paste. Now it will ask you for WhatsApp business account ID. Again, go to developers page. Here you will see the WhatsApp business account ID, copy and paste. Save it. So now it will ask you for few more details. Template name would be. So this was the template that we had prepared, the template message that would be sent to our leads on WhatsApp. Alright, scroll down. Now map in, let us map in recipient's mobile number. Go to text formatter and select the number that is without plus sign. Yes, this one. Again, go down here. Here it will ask for the document URL. So paste the PDF link of the document that you want to attach. Since we have to attach our toy stores brochure, we will paste the PDF link of the same. Let us paste it here. Now come down. It will ask you for the document file name. We will simply write toys brochure. Come down. It will ask you for the field 1. That is, here you will have to map in the name of the person you are sending this message to. So we will take it from Facebook leads. Yes, here is it. Remember, these are just the dummy details, just for testing purpose. Now, the body field 2. Here you will have to give your company's name. So we will just write our store's name. Let us write Kids Toy. And here you will have to paste the link of your website, your store's website. Let us just paste the link and save and send test request. And yes, we have received the response. Now let us go to leads WhatsApp account and see if they have actually received our message. Yes, we have received our response. Now let us go to the leads WhatsApp account and see if they have actually received our message. And here you can see the brochure is here. You click here, you can see the entire text. Hello, then the dummy's name. Thank you for showing your interest in our store, that is the Kids Toy. I hope this video was useful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube.